Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you guys which stock should you buy in the stock market. Now if you want to now it all depends upon you. If you want to make huge profits and huge tons of profits and huge money, so in that case if you want to buy the stocks, there are many different stocks out there, but if you want to make huge profits, then only buy the stocks that are trading at its lowest low, that are trading at the bottom of the chart, not not because of their underperformance or because of their not because of their they are not growing. Keep those reasons aside. It's because that those stocks were overvalued at a time and now they are undervalued. So you can trade those type of stocks if you want to make huge profits out of the stock market, because those are the one that will give you huge they will you will benefit from them when you buy and hold those stocks for a certain period of time. And when you hold those stocks for a certain period of time, you will and sell them after 6 months or maybe 7 months, 8 months or a year, you will make huge profit, because if a stock is at its lowest low, you can only make profit out of it when after a certain period of time. You can double your money also when the company after some time is giving you much more profit. So those type of stocks are out there which you can trade if you want to make a huge amount of money. It does not depend whether the market is performing well or bad. It does not depend upon that. It only depends upon how the stock is performing. It is dependent upon the performance of the stock, because there are those stocks in the stock market that there are those stocks in the stock market that also give you profits even the market is going is performing badly. So there are those stocks. Now you can see that the market is doing great, but there are some stocks that are doing going bad. So things like these happen in the stock market. And if you want to make a little amount of profit or less profit, so in that case, if in that case you can trade any stock you want in the stock market, that is trade any stock in the stock market. There are those stocks also that you can trade the stocks that are overvalued or something like that. Now let me show you by now let me explain this to you by an example. Remove this. Let's place moving average and parabolic SAR. Now as you can see, if you want to make huge profits, then invest in these, in the areas that are right here or here, because you can see that if they will give you profit only by increasing in value. Now if you have invested in this area, you could have made this much profit. Now take a look at the dates here: 29/6/2020. Take a look at it here: 22/9/2020. After something about 3 months, it gave you this much profit. It was 29th, where was it? Yeah, here. It was trading at 8.50. How much it traded? 23.90. This was its value after something about 3 months. Yes. Now you can see again it happened. Now if you want to make short term profits, invest here and sell here. This is short term profits, and this is long term profits, because you are investing for long term. So how much profit it would be if you have invested in this area? It gone out of my reach. 210.24. It would give you this much profit. 210.24. Now let's drag it up till this point. So how much profit will it give you in this area? What happened? Let me drag it down to fix this area. It can give you how much profit? 45.31% by investing short term at this area, and for long term 210 point. That is the reason why you should trade stock for long term, because it would give you much more profit than the short term. and short term is all is nothing but you can say just that you are gambling, that you are speculating. It's all speculation. So in this case, if you want to trade a stock for a stock that is if you want to make huge amount of money, then you should invest for long term, because you saw it right here how much profit it gave you in this zone, only this move. So if you want to make this much profit, you should invest for long term. Always look for opportunity that it can give you long term. This happened because of the news. In these times, the markets were recovering. This was because the world at this time the world was hit by the COVID-19 and the pandemic. Lockdowns were imposed. So in this place, lockdowns were eased or loosened, and the market went up again. Now in this case again, the market dropped and then went up. So if you want to make long term profits in sorry if you want to make huge profits, invest for long term. If you want to make little profits or small amount of profit, then invest for short term. Now in this case as well, you can also trade hot stocks for this reason, because they are trading hot stocks and can give you much less of a profit. If you want if you want to make profits quickly, so if you want to make profits quickly, invest in the hot stocks, because they are trading every time they are trading all of the time in the stock market, and you can make huge profits out of it. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.